That is question number 8. I am doing question number 8. Question number 8 is 1 plus ln x plus y upon x dx is equal to 1 minus ln x dy. This is not in standard form. This is not equal to 0. So we have to shift this on the other side. It will become 1 plus ln x plus y upon x dx minus 1 minus ln x dy equal to 0. Now this is the standard form. Now if I shift, take minus common from here, so plus 1 will become minus 1 and minus ln will become plus ln x. And this minus, when I'm taking minus common, this minus and this minus is plus. So 1 plus ln x plus y upon x dx plus ln x minus 1 dy equal to 0. Okay. So now this is m of xy is 1 plus ln x plus y upon x. N of xy is equal to ln x minus 1. So m of xy one plus ln x plus y x raised to power minus 1. Shahzeeb Wasif 59401. Okay. So we will take the differentiation gamma m upon m was associated with x. So we will take, this is the standard form. So we will take dava m upon dava y because it was associated with x. So we will take the partial derivative with respect to y, dava y. There is no y, 0. There is no y, 0. There is y, 1. Derivative of y is 1. 1 into x raised to power minus 1. So it will become 1 over x. 1 over x. Final Shafat 60788. Okay. Now we will take the derivative, this one, partial derivative. That was with respect to y. So we'll take with respect to x. Dava n upon dava x. The derivative of ln x is 1 over x. And derivative of 1 is 0. So dava n over dava x is equal to 1 over x. So dava m upon dava y is equal to dava n upon dava x, because both are equal to 1 over x. Therefore, it is an exact differential equation. Muhammad Talha Sarfaraz 61933. Muhammad Fasir Rohan 62725. Sayyid Shami at 61846. Mahdi Raza 62589.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
Walaikum Assalam.
सर ये एक बात पूछनी थी, ये क्लास लेट स्टार्ट हुई है इतनी।
जी नहीं, क्लास टाइम पे स्टार्ट हुई थी, बीच में लाइट चली गई जिसकी वजह से हमने उसको स्विच ओवर कर दिया उस पर, व्हाट्सएप पर। तो कुछ देर हमने व्हाट्सएप पर पढ़ाया है, बाकी हम इसी पर पढ़ा रहे हैं।
सर ये तो फिर मेरे पास तो मैसेज नहीं आया था व्हाट्सएप का।
व्हाट्सएप का मैसेज नहीं आता, व्हाट्सएप चेक करना चाहिए ना, मैसेज नहीं आते व्हाट्सएप के, व्हाट्सएप खुद मैसेज है। तुमने चेक किया? तो
सर मैं
तुमने
व्हाट्सएप के ग्रुप में ही नहीं हूँ, मेरे पास व्हाट्सएप वाला फ़ोन ही नहीं है।
व्हाट्सएप वाला फोन नहीं है? क्यों नहीं है भाई तुम्हारे पास?
सर मैं
तुम्हारे
लैपटॉप पे जूम पे क्लासेस लेते हैं, चारों
हाँ,
पांचों
तो
क्लासेस में।
लैपटॉप पे भी तुम नहीं आए, हमने 2 सेशन लैपटॉप पे लिए, तुम आए नहीं। तीसरा सेशन उसमें हमने लिया है व्हाट्सएप पे, वो भी बीच
चले,
में।
ओके सर, ओके सर।
हाँ, तुम आए नहीं हो भाई। So this is dava m upon dava y is 1 over x. Dava n over dava x is 1 over x. Both are equal. Therefore, this is an exact differential equation. When it is an exact differential equation, we will solve it. So this is an exact differential equation. Now we will solve the differential equation. We'll start from here. This is the standard equation. We will start from here. We will find m of f of xy. F of xy is equal to integral of this one m with respect to x, 1 plus ln x plus y upon x with respect to x, plus when we are integrating with respect to x, we have to add g of y. Okay, the integral of 1 with respect to x will be x. Integral of ln x with respect to x, if you check the formula, the integral will be x ln x plus x ln x plus x. I think this is the formula. Check with your formula sheet whether it is correct or not. Check with your formula sheet, or I will check here. Okay. The formula for x ln x minus x. Ibrahim Aftab 8367. Okay. So the formula is that the integration of 1 will be x. Integration of ln x is x ln x minus x. And the integration of y upon x with respect to x. The integration of 1 upon y is constant. Integration of 1 upon x is ln x plus gy. But 60973. Okay. So the integration of 1 will be x. Integration of ln x will be x ln x minus x. This is the formula. Integration of y upon x, y is constant, and 1 upon x is ln x plus gy. So this is f of xy. Now we will differentiate with respect to y. This is Shahryar Ansari 61683. Okay. X ln x minus x y ln x. Now we take the derivative dy with respect to y. Dou f upon dou y. Anyone may tell Sayyid Shahan he must write his ID. He or she must write. He must write his ID. Anyone may tell Sayyid Shahan. Okay, dou f upon dou y. There is no y. 0. There is no y. 0. There is no y. 0. Here the derivative of y is 1. 1 into ln x will be ln x. And the derivative of gy will be g dash y. So dou f upon dou y is equal to ln x plus g dash y. Ln x plus g dash y. Now dou f upon dou y will be equating with n of xy. It will be equating with n of xy. Understood up to here? Then I will rub and do further. Have you done up to here? Understood up to here, all of you? Have you all?
Yes.
Okay. So I am rubbing it and doing further. So dou f upon dou y, dou f upon dou y is equal to ln x plus g dash y. This is f of xy. And dou f upon dou y, we found is equal to ln x plus g dash y. It will be equated with n of xy, ln x minus 1. Therefore, ln x plus g dash y will be equal to n of xy, ln x plus minus 1. Ln x will be shifted on the other side. Ln x will be shifted on the other side. G dash x will become, g dash y will become ln x minus 1, and plus ln x will go on the other side minus ln x. So this is cancelled out. So g dash y is equal to minus 1. G dash y is equal to minus 1. Now we will integrate this one. Integrating minus 1 with respect to y, because this is the function of y. So gy will become minus y. So this value of gy will be replaced over there. F of xy will become x plus x ln x minus x plus y ln x minus y. G of y will be replaced by minus y here. And that will be equal to some form. Understood up to here? So I am writing the final
सर
answer.
कैमरे कर दें वो नीचे के
अच्छा,
स्टेप दिख
नीचे है, अच्छा सही है, ठीक है बेटा, थैंक यू. So g dash y is equal to ln x minus 1 minus ln x. This ln x is shifted on the other side minus ln x. So this ln x is cancelled by this ln x. So that is equal to g dash y will become minus 1 only. Integrating g dash y, integral g dash y is equal to integral minus 1 dy. So gy will become minus y. Minus 1 का integral minus y. Mohammed Sharif 61332.
सर पेपर चेक हो गए?
जी हो गए.
नंबर कब तक लगेंगे?
बस लग जाएंगे बेटा, जब सब कंप्लीट हो जाएंगे तो फिर इकट्ठे लगाऊंगा, सारे क्लासेस के जब कंप्लीट हो जाएंगे. So gy is equal to minus y. So I will replace over there. Substituting gy is equal to minus y in f of xy. Therefore, f of xy will become x plus x ln x minus x plus y ln x minus gy is replaced by minus y. This gy is replaced by minus y. So this is the answer, and on the right side is 0. On the right side is 0, it will become constant. So this is the final answer, x. On the next step I write, therefore x plus x ln x minus x and minus x cancel. So x ln x only. plus y ln x minus y equal to constant. This is the answer. X and minus x are cancelled. X ln x plus y ln x minus y equal to constant. This is the final answer. Shayan, Sayyid Shayan is not writing the ID. How can I take him in? Must write your ID. So that was question number 8. So in this way, we have to do these exact equations. So we have done 4 or 5 questions in this exercise. One more question I am doing, exponential function. One more question I am doing, that is the exponential function. And that is question number 11. Exponential function, question number 11. 0 to 6. Question number 11. This is the last question. Y ln y minus e raised to power minus xy. Dx. Y ln y minus e raised to power minus xy dx plus 1 over y plus x ln y dy is equal to 0. Question number 11. Y ln y minus e raised to power minus xy dx plus 1 over y plus x ln y into dy equal to 0. So this will be m. Y ln y minus e raised to power minus xy. And this is n. One over y plus x ln y. This is with respect to x. So it is associated with dx. So we will differentiate with respect to y. Dava m upon dava y. U into v. Both the functions are of y and ln y. Both are the functions of y. So we will use the formula u into v. The derivative of y will be 1 into the second function ln y plus the y into the second derivative of ln y is 1 over y. The derivative of y is 1 into ln y plus y into derivative of ln y, that is 1 over 1 over y, minus the derivative of e raised to power minus xy. Y is also there, so we will take e raised to power minus xy. If y is not there, so we'll take it 0. But y, we are taking with respect to y is also there, so we will write this one into the derivative of minus xy. The derivative of minus xy with respect to y, the derivative of y will be 1, so it will become minus x only. It will become minus x only. Ashar Akhtar 63064. Okay, so it will become ln y plus 1 minus minus plus x e raised to power minus xy. This is dava m upon dava y. This is dava m upon dava y. Now we'll find dava n upon dava x. It was associated with dy, so we'll find dava n upon dava x. There is no y, derivative is 0. And here plus derivative of x is 1 into ln y. This is only one function of x. Here there were both functions of y. Therefore, we use u into v formula. Both are the function of y. We are differentiating with respect to y. Both are the functions of y. Here we are differentiating with x, and only one function is the one function of x is there. So derivative of x is 1. Ln y will be considered as constant. So the answer is ln y. This is not equal to this one. Therefore, it is not an exact differential equation. Dava upon dava y is not equal to dava n upon dava x. Therefore, it is not an exact differential equation. So, this is the way we have to do exact differential equation. This is the way we will find the exact differential equation. So now the time is also, it is 5:51. 9 minutes are left only. So I am ending the class. I am ending the class.
Okay, sir.
Anything do you want to ask?
सर इसका रीजन क्या है कि अगर एग्जैक्ट डिफरेंशियल है तो ये आगे सॉल्व नहीं होगा?
नहीं होगा, हम तो एग्जैक्ट डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन को सॉल्व कर रहे हैं ना बेटा. अगर नहीं है तो नहीं होगा.
ठीक है, सही,
ठीक है.
ठीक है सर.
Anything do you want to ask? Anyone? Because class is over.
सर
Last-
मार्क्स वगैरह कब तक अपलोड हो जाएंगे?
बस बेटा
Yes, sir.
हो जाएंगे अपलोड। अब आपका ये काम नहीं है, अब ये तो मेरा काम है ना, मेरे गोल में आ गई अब बॉल। अब आपका तो काम खत्म हो गया, अब तो मेरा काम
क्विज असाइनमेंट के
ये
क्विज असाइनमेंट के भी मार्क्स हैं।
असाइनमेंट की भी लोड कर दूंगा, सब लोड कर दूंगा बेटा, डोंट
ठीक है
वरी।
सर।
आप बस अपना काम करते रहें, आप अच्छा काम करते रहें।
जी सर, इंशाल्लाह।
क्विज़ेस, असाइनमेंट, एग्जाम सब अच्छा करते रहेंगे, मार्क्स लोड करना तो मेरा काम है भाई।
जी सर,
ठीक है,
ठीक है सर।
ओके, अल्लाह
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
अल्लाह हाफिज़।
अल्लाह।